Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to solve 9 square puzzles. This puzzle contains 81 squares in it, and we have to fill these squares from 1 to 81. And condition is that no number should be repeated. And if we add these numbers in row wise and column wise or diagonally, this arrangement of numbers or in this arrangement of numbers, they should have the same number. So we start now. We start from 1, from the middle of the square, and its middle is this square. In upper side we have 1 2 3 4, and downward 1 2 3 4. The fifth square is in the middle. Now we start from 1. This is 1, and we should move diagonally like this, and 2 should be here, but it is out of the square. Therefore we write 2 at the beginning of this row. This is 2, and this is 3. Diagonally move downward, we have 4. Diagonally move downward, we have 5, and diagonally move downward, we have 6. We should have 6 here, but this square is out of the range of this system. Therefore we start 6 from the beginning of this column, and this column we have 6 now. 6, and diagonally move, we have 7, 8, and 9. And 9, after 9 we should go in this square, but this is already filled. Therefore we come back to this, and at its back side we have square this. We move here and we write 10 here, 11, and 12, and 13. 13 is coming in this square. Therefore we cannot write it here because it's outside of the square, and we follow this row at its beginning. At its start we write 13 here. 12, 13, and 14. This is 15, and 16 is also going outside. We should write 16 at the start of this column, and at the beginning of this column here it is 16, and here we write 17, and 18, and 19 should be here, but it is already filled. We go back, we have 19 here, and 20, 21, and 22, 23, and 24 goes outside of the square. Therefore we follow this row at its start. We write 23 here, 24, and 24. After 24 we have 25, and 25. Diagonally when we move from this square to other, the next square is here. It should be 26, but it is out of the square. Therefore we follow this column at its start. We write 26. 26. After 26 we have 27. 27. After we have 28, but 28 should be here, but it's already filled. We go back, we write 28 here. 28, 29, 20. After 29 we have 30, 31, 32, and 33, 34. After 34 we have to write 35 here. This is outside. Therefore we follow at the this row. At the beginning of this row we write 35, and 36 also goes out. Therefore you follow this column. At its start we write 30. At the beginning of this column we write 36. After 36 we have 37 in this square, but it is already filled. We go back, we have 37 here, and here we write 38 and 39. This is 40, this is 41, this is 42, this is 43, this is 44, and this is 45. Now we have to go 46. We now the next should be here, therefore there is this out, and we cannot follow this column. Go big. 46 and 46 to 47 should be here, but it is already filled. It is out of the square. We write 47 here. 47. 49 is this place for 49, but is out of the range of the square. Therefore, we write 49 at the start, at the beginning of this row. That is 48. 48, and then 49 and 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. 55 should be here, but it is already filled. We go back. 55 is here, or 56. And after 56, the next movement is come here. This is out of the square, therefore we follow this column. At its beginning we write 57, or here we write 58. 59 movement is here. It is out of the square. We follow this. At its beginning we write 59, and यहाँ पर आएगा 60, 61, and 62, 63, 64 should be here. Is already filled. We go back. 64, 65, and 66 here. And next movement is out of the square, therefore we follow this column. At its beginning we write 67. After 67 we have 68, 69. After 69 that is 70. 70 is out of the square, therefore we follow this row. At its beginning we write 70, and 71, 72, and 73 should be here. Is already filled. We start at its big 73, 74, and 75. Here 76, and 76. After writing 76 we move into this square, and this is out of the square, range of the square, therefore we follow this column. At its beginning we write 77 here. 77, 78 diagonally move. 79, and this is 80. After 80 diagonally when we move we have this position, but this square is out of the range of the square, therefore we follow this row. At its beginning we write 81. This is 79, this is 80, and this is 81. And thus in this way I have completed this 9 square puzzle. And now we start to some of these elements row wise. 36, 37 plus 36 plus 26 plus 16 plus 6 plus 77 plus 67 plus 57 plus 47. Their sum is 369. And when we add, this is a row wise sum, and when we add these numbers column wise, and their sum is also 369. And what most interesting thing is that column wise, when we add column wise, diagonally, this is diagonal of this square, and we start adding 47 to 68 to 8 to 20 to 41 to 62 and to 74 to 14 to 35. And when we sum up these diagonal elements, we have 369 as the sum. Okay, now the second diagonal is this, and we have to add 37 to 38 to 39 to 40 to 41 to 42 to 43 to 44 and to 45. We have the same constant result, same result, 369. And this is a magical arrangement of the numbers, and that is called 9 square puzzle. This is done, and you can do very easily this.